So to turn on the airplane mode on your Windows computer, by far the easiest and fastest way is to do it from your taskbar. So look to the bottom right where you have your network, sound, and battery status. We'll click that, and there's your button for airplane mode. Click that, and airplane mode turns on. If you want, once airplane mode has been turned on, you can turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi back on. Airplane mode will basically disable the type of wireless signals that would interfere with an airplane. But once you have airplane mode turned on, and then turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, your computer will only use safe, short-range signals to connect to wireless networks or accessories. When you want to turn airplane mode off, just come back and turn it off. Some laptops will also have a physical shortcut key built right into the keyboard. So look closely on the top of your keyboard through F1 and F12. If there's a button that has a tiny airplane icon printed on it, that'll be your shortcut key for the airplane mode. One more way to do this would be through the system settings. You can click the Start menu and go to Settings, or hold down the Windows key and press the letter I on your keyboard. That also opens the settings. Then we'll go to Network and Internet on the left, and here you'll see a menu for airplane mode. I'll click that on, and you can also click the middle to expand the menu. And here's again where you could set your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to stay on and connected while you're on airplane mode. Maybe you have Bluetooth headphones, or sometimes you want to connect to the plane's own Wi-Fi, that type of stuff. Anyways, that's airplane mode on Windows 11. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.